the modern technology, the super high injection pressures, the fast, super efficient VGTs, the heads, everything on these new trucks is like super efficient compared to what they used to be. So if newer trucks are roughly 90% cleaner than they were even back in the LMM days, just due to modern technology, well, I promise you, you take a deleted 26 and run it against a aged LMM, that new L5P is going to be cleaner than that LMM. So a lot of the things that the government was trying to accomplish through enforcement and mandates and really high subsidies to manufacturers, that has been accomplished just because technology in and of itself has gotten so much better. We're not going back to the 70s. Like you were, it was snail mail back then. You know what I mean? Modern technology has driven these systems to be clean enough, even on our exports that don't have after treatment. They are clean enough now that it's cleaner than when you originally put the after treatment on them. And that's by their own standards, without even getting the science right. I think that I know that we can have clean air and reliable vehicles. It's totally possible. And we're going to get there. And I can't thank you all again for the prayers and the support and everything else. This is heavy, but it's worth it. It's absolutely worth it. You guys, we should be able to go to shops in America should be able to go to bed at night, not be wondering if they're going to get raided because they fixed a customer's truck. Not get raided over an exhaust system. And that's what we're fighting for.